Shirodhara means the dhara over your Agya chakra, and we use a medicated oil. So pouring of medicated oil on your forehead, on your Agya chakra. This is your Brahma chakra, we can say in the uh, language. That is in a Brahma mudra, Brahma chakra, or your Agya chakra. So uses a pouring of medicated oil over your Agya chakra, and it's like while doing a Shirodhara, a person needs to lie down, and the position of his head, like to tilted his head, is where the neck should be tilted, being like this way, and 6 fingers or 6 inches. The gap should be there between the Shirodhara pot where the oil is poured and your forehead. It should be in 16 inches of the difference. And the medicated oils should be at the temperature of 40 degree, not more than that. And at the end of the therapy or the end of the treatment, we should maintain the temperature of oil around 40 degree, not more than that. And it's a session of around 45 minutes to 60 minutes, according to the patient's problem, according to the person, if they have a migraine, psychosomatic disorders and all, because it helps in psychosomatic disorders, it helps in anxiety, your nervousness, and your hair fall, somehow thyroid problems, your hormonal problems. So it impacts on all over your hormones, because all hormones produce your cortisol hormones, and this all brings very calm and very clear. So it's like a deep meditation. Being very clear, you feel a different like world at that time, and patient relieves that from the stress also. So we all know that yoga also impact on our lives. So with these problems, uh, we have to maintain a pranayam, or doing a pranayam to maintain a healthy lifestyle also. Along this, we have to do a one pranayam also. So being Shirodhara, do one pranayam, then see the results, enough results to see all the things. Right? So what is the pranayam? How we can say pranayam helps to, like, pranayam. What is pranayam? Pranayam is like maximize your prana, right? To regulation of your breath. So along Shirodhara, if you do one pranayam daily for 5 minutes, it will give a very good results. So what is exactly what pranayam I discussed to you? That is in a Sushumna Nadi pranayam. Sushumna Nadi pranayam. Right? First, I will tell you what is Sushumna. Sushumna is like a straight, vertically shaped between your Ida, that is your left nostril, and your Pingla, your right nostril. In between your this way, it's like a clean pipe through water supply.